All right, hope everybody's doing okay. So we can recycle wastewaters from cities and reproduce it into bioceramics, which can then be used to build geodesic dome buildings, which are eco-friendly, cheaper than modern building construction techniques, fire retardant up to 2700 degrees Fahrenheit, easily heated and cooled, able to be deconstructed and moved to another location, and reportedly capable of withstanding hurricane forces. Need tools and permission to perform recycling and then to reproduce city water waste into big bioceramic building materials. By using bioceramics instead of hempcrete to build homes, we would be able to do more with the hemp plant. So, apparently, ceramic is great at providing defense against bullets and swords. A mixture of both hemp and ceramic could be a real powerful defensive measure. Since ceramic is capable of also providing bulletproof defense, then that would give us more hemp to use on other things like food, medicine, clothing, water filters, and whatever else we decide on making, like I just said. With the land we have been allowed to use, we can use a part of it for growing straight out of the ground. Traditional/old method, and we can also implement vertical farm growing systems. And with these vertical farm growing systems, since they are super efficient when it comes to space, this makes them easier to defend and store. And so we could have these vertical farm growing systems inside of the protective defense that accompany our self-sustainable cities. And again, much experimentation and trial and error is needed to see how and if things work. To help generate more income and expand the movement, we could open an inexpensive grocery store/restaurant where we could offer the public quality organic products at inexpensive/nonprofit prices. This would give people an alternative to the grocery stores and all the corporate chains that seem to be everywhere and are seeming to become more and more expensive. Also, our operation is a great example of how people can do all this on their own, and we could offer 411 and help/advice to help people get to a higher level of self-sufficiency. In regards to the grocery store and restaurant idea, I have been making pizzas and working in the food industry off and on since I was 15 and a half, and I am now 36. So I have a plethora of experience in the operations and duties of the food industry, and especially in the pizza industry. In fact, I would like to experiment with the idea of making pizzas out of hemp and seeing how popular and good they are, and if they are something people want, then perhaps we could get a serious pizza restaurant thing going. This would still offer relatively healthy food for people at cheap prices while also helping us expand our good movement. Addressing homelessness, unemployment, and rising housing costs. The nonprofit, you know what? I'm going to hold off and just make another video right there. Okay, hold on.